So these are our supplies all stocked up.
So basically, we are having some sort of a water crisis, you can say, and that's why we have just got the stock of drinking water. But to be honest, it is a big problem for me because I get very easily dehydrated during summer seasons and I really need a lot of water. So, yeah, this is good for now.
Hey everyone, hi, I am Arnab and welcome back to another vlog. So I have been vlogging for the past few days. I guess it has been 2 weeks completely where I've been doing daily vlogging, and today I wanted to share my experience talking about all the pros and cons of these 15 days of vlogging and also what is coming next. So when lockdown came, actually when the curfew came for Delhi due to the rising cases, everything started to close down. My college closed down, and again I was supposed to stay at home for an indefinite amount of time. I really needed something to keep me occupied, and that's when I thought of doing daily vlogging. There's something really funny. There are things that you go plan towards and you have a strategy to follow, and then there are things that you don't have any strategy to follow or any plan, but you still do it anyways. Vlogging, daily vlogging especially, comes in the second category. I had no plans, I had no strategy, I had nothing. I just went for it because that's the only thing I could think of at that time. The pros of daily vlogging are simple. First of all, you just get started on things. You don't wait, you don't strategize, you don't imagine, you don't think over the unnecessary things. You just go, and that's really good for people like me who just overthink everything or just are plain lazy, you can say. We need some kind of an action to just start with something, and daily vlogging was just that. Second benefit I can think of is I just learned more about video editing, I guess. Now I know that my vlogs were not editing masterpieces or shooting masterpieces. Definitely I learned a lot about my skill, how to be more efficient while editing, while shooting, while creating content. I learned very valuable things where how much time I can save while making content, and I guess this is something that really worked quite well for me. The third benefit that I can see is that I have kind of had an yeah, I can now easily talk to the camera. You see this stutter? Actually that was before. Now I can really talk to camera even more smoothly than I could before, and that has been because daily vlogging, because every day I'm talking to the camera and every day I'm going for it. That's why talking to the camera has become very easy. Talking in itself has become very easy. I am hardly stuttering. In fact, in the last video I noticed that how much less I am stuttering, and I was quite impressed by that. That's definitely a development personally for me, that now I can speak more smoothly. Next benefit is obviously you guys, the views, the subscribers, the engagement. Oh my god, I was loving it. Every day I was going to sleep and waking up and getting so many responses. People, giving me responses in WhatsApp chats, comments, likes, views, and even subscribers. I gained 10 subscribers ever since I started daily vlogging. I don't know if anywhere I've seen such an impressive rate that with every upload I was gaining a subscriber. So that really means that all in all it was something that was turning out really good. And these things really made it, really motivated me, really tempted me to always keep on going with the vlogs, and just somehow energized me to make the next vlog, make the next upload. And I guess these are all the pros, and these pros were the reasons why I considered daily vlogging, or I will consider daily vlogging for future. About cons, the first thing about daily vlogging is that you are always on the go time. You just don't have any time to waste or think about. That means you're constantly on a state of progress, and sometimes this mentality doesn't really help because for someone like me who is a student in a college and is doing a full-time course, has to also be occupied in assignments and studies, etc, etc, and taking out time for my studies and this is a little bit difficult. And to be honest, my studies are really important, my grades matter, everything matters, and I really can't take the risk of affecting those because of this. Second con, I wouldn't say it's a con, but it really became a difficulty while daily vlogging was, as you know, the cases have been rising a lot, and the condition of things around me, of my place, it became difficult. It really has been emotionally, mentally very difficult to keep on vlogging, keep on putting up a positive face when it was very difficult to be positive, feeling positive for myself. And the next biggest con that I have faced is that because of this hectic schedule, I have been having a lot of problems like lack of sleep, improper sleep schedule. Like my sometimes I get 5 hours of sleep, 6 hours of sleep. Sometimes I'm going on sleep at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or 3 o'clock. So these are the things that have been really messing up my sleep schedule, and I can say that lack of proper planning definitely did affect me physically, that I just wasn't in my best mindset to make the vlogs day after day, because I was just getting too much tired physically of not getting enough sleep, not getting enough rest. And of course everyone needs leisure activities, especially in situations like these. I didn't really get a leisure activity time because I was busy editing or shooting. Normally I have movie nights where I watch movie with my family, but due to vlogging I always have to cut short and just come back on the editing table and just get it done. So these are the few things that I really don't want to miss out anymore in my life. I want to keep a healthy balance, because at the end everything depends on a healthy balance for everyone. So these were all the experiences, the benefits, the challenges, the difficulties, the opportunities of daily vlogging for me in the past 15 days. But other than that, I really hope you enjoyed these 15 days of daily vlogging, because whenever I saw that upload, whenever I see my video getting uploaded and getting that response, every challenge, every difficulty, every obstacle that I went through, it felt worth it. So maybe I will try to do it alternatively and try to make some good vlogs so that you guys enjoy. And yeah, I hope you support me in whatever comes next of the alternate vlogging and enjoy the stories that are gonna come next, because trust me, there are a lot of stories that are yet to come. Maybe the day I get vaccinated, or I still have a gameplay challenge with my friend Vats, so I still have to do that. And plus there are just many more stories that are yet to come in my life. So I want you to keep on hooked with me, and let's go on this journey together that is coming on this May. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's it for this one. The daily vlogging season 1 ends here. I hope you enjoyed it, and just stay safe, take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.